right top. Okay, so why is it so important to learn the reverse chi roll? Because then you can connect the forwards and the reverse chi rolls. So initially, to do this, we are going to go from reverse to forward, and then I'll show you how to go from forwards to reverse. So that's pretty much simple as that. So we're doing our little reverse chi rolls, however you like, hands out, hands in, doesn't matter. And we're going to look, for me at least for this first one, it's going to be on my right arm, and then I'm going to transfer it to my left, like I'm about to do some kind of Steve. And in that transfer, I'm going to try and put my left quite a distance from my right, and I'm going to try and slide my right to the other side of the centre point. So if I do it from the side, I'll stop it and shoot you. There. So now it's rolling up to the towards the fingers of my right hand, and as it does that, it spins around and starts rolling, does a half spin, starts rolling down into forwards again. So I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to stop. So chi rolls, forwards, here, and now it's rolling towards me in reverse. So one more time. You see this hand just turns under, my right hand just turns under the staff and is ready to be a rail again, like so. So from that, you're pretty much, it's rolling towards you, you're pretty much in reverse chi rolls. Apart from the fact that reverse chi rolls don't come so easily as that. You have to practice them a lot. Okay, so here we go. Here, and now it's my left hand, the first one to turn in. It's just a little bit different like that. So I do it again. So this left hand is the first one to turn in like this, or alternatively turn in and then go like that. Oh yeah, here we go. So this is my chi roll. However, it's rolling here. I turn my right under it. There we go. Into chi rolls, don't concentrate on the camera quite so much. Sorry, into reverse, that is. Yeah, one more time? Okay, one more time. Let's shoot it from this side. Whoop, not that one. But this one. Okay. Yeah, this is okay? So now, obviously, you can do it the other direction as well. So instead of it transferring in that direction, if in terms of the spin, this roll is still the same. You can transfer it the other side, and it's just exactly the opposite. So this time it'll be rolling down my left as if to do a Steve, and then my left hand transfers, pivots under it, and then my right hand is the first one to come in. I'll show you one more time. Maybe two more times. Okay, here we go. Like so. One more time. From the side. I might have lifted my hand off that time, sorry. Okay, but you get the idea. Right, so now we go from forwards back to reverse. And this is a little bit different how you might expect. You're going to see, we're going to find out right now. Okay, so you can either start in reverse or do the transition. I'm going to do the transition just because I can. There we go. So now I'm in reverse. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now as it comes towards me, I'm going to fold my hand in like I'm doing a forearm roll, essentially. And then it's rolling away from me again, hence the transition. But it's rolling on the wrong arm, kind of. So as it rolls down my hand, that's when the transition kind of happens. I put my elbow in on the other side, and then it goes into forwards, chi rolls. Okay, here we go. I'm on my own in here, and clearly you can see it's winter now, so anything can happen. where would you? Okay, so we transition into reverse, like so. And I'm going to do this on my left arm because that's my standard direction, and I'll show you it on the right arm as well after that. So it's rolling towards me on the left, and I'm pulling it as if it's going around the standard direction for a Steve. Like that. So when I say forearm rolls, I mean it's kind of coming in to do this little guy, or to do that little guy. So I'll show you again. So now I'm in reverse. And I'll let it come in. Oh. So that's one transition, now back into forwards, or kind of different one. Now I'm in reverse, and then I transition into forwards. So let me show you from the side and try and work out how to explain it easily. Now I'll show you the other one. So I'm forwards, now I'm in reverse, and then I'm going to do passing between my hands. Back and forwards. So what is happening there, you ask? Well, several different things, several different times. Okay, so going in reverse, and what's going to happen is I'm going to do this forearm roll like this. So now I've got this little two rails going across again. I'm going to take it over my head, and now it's in that position as if I'm going to straighten out my arm into the forwards. So let's do that again. What am I doing? Oh, okay. So here I'm like taking it off, and I can pull this arm in if I want to, but it's kind of not necessary. Oh, it kind of is necessary. Take it above my head, push it onto the upper arm, and then have that arm turn out again. It's a little bit more complicated, that one. I figured that out now. If you have any of like Greg's move or forearm rolls or the inside circle forearm rolls, any of that will really help you with this. I'll teach them in a later tutorial for DRAGONSTAFF, but there are also contact staff moves. So you can see that lumping it above my head kind of helps. So we go into forwards. Sorry, we go into reverse. Can't get this right. Take it down there. So you can see I don't really need to keep a hold of it, keep in contact with it. When it goes above my head, I'm just going to go clip and have it rise over my head here, so it hits that upper arm into the forwards G roll again. So I'll do this on the other side, just to show you that it's also possible. Also, my left side is a bit more interesting, so maybe we'll get something out of that. So we transition to the other way, blah blah, like so. And then as it's coming down my right arm, it comes in. Ooh, it's going to go like that. Okay. Do it one more time. So as it's coming down my right arm, I can take it off with my left, above my head, and now into the G roll again. Do that one more time. Take it off with my left hand, put my right back in, like that. Yeah. So the important part to notice, again, the same thing, like it's coming towards me because it's reverse. I take my hand under, take it over my head, have it connect with my upper arm, straighten my arm out, have this other arm here, back into G rolls, in forwards. Okay.